Hi, welcome to Minc It Monday. This is a feature that you will find on HeidiSwapp.com where the Heidi Swapp media team comes up and demonstrates different projects you can do using the Minc Machine and the Minc foil. But brand new right now that we're going to talk about are these Heidi Swapp Glue Pens. So these are awesome pens. I have a post up at HeidiSwapp.com that I'll link here below on YouTube. And I talk about this wide chisel tip pen that we have. And then there's also a fine point pen that is brand new. And you have to prime these pens. They're like a paint pen. So they need to be primed. When the tip fills with pink, with a light pink color, you are ready to go. So I'm going to create an insert for a envelope for my planner, and let's get started on that. Okay, so I have primed my fine line, and it's sort of a new pen, so you're probably going to find me go over my lines a couple times. Since I'm using the Minc with this, I just want to make sure that I get plenty of glue on there and that it adheres real well to the foil when I run it through the Minc Machine. So when you lay this pen on a piece of paper, especially if it's pattern paper and it has a little bit of color to it, you might be able to see my awl there. It sort of shows up like a watermark. So you can see it. It's not terribly opaque. It's fairly transparent, but you can see it enough to know where your strokes are going and what might need a little more coverage. I've also found too, it sort of helps to do more of an up and down instead of a 45-degree angle. I know that goes contrary to hand lettering. I just find it works a little better if I have a little bit more of the wider part of the pen to the surface. Okay, so we're going to run that through the machine now. It's fairly tacky. I don't want it completely dry. I'm going to put the foil on first because I don't want anything to stick to it except the foil. And then slip that inside of its carrier folder. And then I'm going to run that through the machine. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. Okay, so this has gone through the machine. I'm going to remove the carrier and then reveal the foil. Oh, this is so cool. This is the iridescent foil, and I think it's just so pretty on this. So then I'm going to add it to my planner. Okay, to finish it up, I made a vellum envelope just to add extra pieces into my planner. So I've added all the things, because I think that's super cute. And I'm going to slip it right in here. And that's a look at the Heidi Swapp glue pens and the Minc Machine all working together to make really pretty stuff.